So welcome back to my channel. So I'm still fighting my cold, but I'm still going to be pushing through to the very end of October to finish Vlogtober. So you've read the title of the video, so today we're going to be trying some Just Eggs. This is my husband. He's going to be taste testing it with me.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Oh yeah, it's going to be an interesting experience, I think.
So do you like the vegan eggs?
The vegan eggs isn't too bad. It's been a little bit since I've had them, but they've been pretty good, I think.
Yep. So we're just going to be trying the Just Eggs. So we're going to be making like an omelet, but then too, because I found some vegan mozzarella at the store, the same place. I found this. This was sold out in 4 different stores we went to. So the 5th store, right?
No, it was actually 3 stores that was sold out when we found it on the 4th one.
Yep. So 4 stores to find this. We've been looking for over a month. So really excited to taste this and see how it is. I gave a bottle to my mom because my mom's been kind of asking for it too. So gonna be trying this and then show you guys the reaction. So I'll see you guys in the kitchen. So welcome to my kitchen, my small cramped kitchen. So first I want to say that this looks really thin. I don't know if you can see that or not. So I'm pretty surprised about this. I thought it'd be a little bit thicker when I found it, but it should be fine. So let's start making this.
Well, since my nose is kind of clogged up too. I can't really get a good smell on what they smell like right now.
It doesn't really have any smell.
Not really.
Not like the vegan eggs.
No, you're right about that.
It actually smells pretty good once it's cooking. So it doesn't have any smell before it's cooked, but now it's this, so that's cooking. It actually has a smell to it. I don't know what it smells like, but okay, it's all cooked up now. Now for the vegan mozzarella. So this is what it looks like when it's done. It was going to be an omelet, but it didn't cooperate. So right here you have some mozzarella and then the eggs. Okay, so let's try this out. He's cute.
Haha. It's actually pretty good.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, I don't think you should use as much salt, but
sorry,
that's okay.
Too salty.
A little bit, yeah.
My Pranch is down there cleaning it up. It tastes like beans, actually.
Yeah.
It's actually made from mung beans. It's made from mung beans. It has actually made from mung beans, so I guess that would make it taste like beans.
Yep.
But it's pretty good. I mean, I don't really remember what eggs taste like.
Yeah.
But I think the texture, it kind of reminds me of eggs.
Yeah.
Just like when I had the Beyond Meat burger, I haven't had meat in over 25 years, and the texture reminded me when I was eating burgers or something. But but just took it off my plate. But yeah, I really like it. It's pretty good. It's not going to be a everyday meal for us because it was like $5 for the $5.99 for the bottle, and it doesn't really make that much, I think. But so I'm gonna try some of the mozzarella now. So. Oh, I like the mozzarella better.
Yeah.
That's really good. Okay, so I'm gonna be finishing this with some Texas Pete hot sauce. And anyway, thank you guys for watching the video.
Yeah, thank you.
So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet already. And if you like more videos with us together, let us know in the comment section. Because we'd like to start doing more videos together.
Yep.
So thank you guys for watching, and